Right guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a file to your Google Drive and to share it with any person you would like it to share. Okay, so first of all, you go to your Google Drive, you log in into your Google account, which is usually your Gmail account, and then you go over here and press this new button, okay, and then file upload. You click on that. Here you might be able to choose any files you need from your computer. For example, I want to share these 3 pictures and I press open to share them. Okay, so you wait for the uploading process to complete. So now, as it is completed right now, I want to press on any of these. Okay, now these are 3 of the pictures I have on my Google Drive right now. I can choose any of these, or I can press Control button and select multiple. Okay, like that, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so after this is being done, you want to go over here and press this little icon, which looks like a person with a plus. So here in this small window, you want to search for people, which is basically their Gmail accounts, their email accounts. You're gonna put them over here and find them and share to those Gmail accounts these pictures and files that you just selected. Okay, and once done, you just press done, and the files are going to be shared with those people. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.